What's up mga ka-momentum?
That's a drop top coupe. Said you wanna drive it down real soon. I just wanna love you like I do, cause I never had someone like you. Ain't nobody got this love, got me cuffed. Ain't nobody, babe. All I need is love. I just wanna run away with you. I'm just hoping that you see and you notice. Can't stop with the way I've been falling. Fall back cause I catch when you're falling. I just need to know your mind when I'm calling. Girl, let me provide your needs. Freaky girl under the sheets. With your love when things start slowing down. I know you got me, baby. That's a drop top coupe. Said you wanna drive it down real slow.
Good morning. We are here at Newtown Plaza. We're eating. Thank you so much, Sir Kenneth, for this. So, only yung aming pagkain, guys. Buffet yung aming breakfast. Here, unlimited naman. Ganda ng view, guys. Hey, mga ka-momentum, good morning. What's up? For today's project and for today's video, we are here at Baguio, guys. Okay, our project for today's video is for Newtown Plaza Hotel. And we are here at their bar. Okay, nasa may restaurant sa baba. Ayan. So, as you can see, mga ka-momentum, meron na pong existing mural. And, we don't know who's the artist. But, what we will be doing is, we will do another design. Okay, as the owner ask for it. So ayan, thank you so much, Sir Kenneth, for giving us the opportunity to create artworks in this area. So right now, guys, is tatakpan po natin siya. Okay, ayan. So we don't have beef to the mural artist na nag-create. Please, wag niyo po kami pagkamalian. Don't get us wrong. Hindi po namin alam kung sino gumawa nito. Basta, miniting po kami ng may-ari, mga ka-momentum, and he asked us to repaint everything. Oh, ayan. Nagsisimula na po tayo, mga ka-momentum. Okay, let's do it. Okay, guys, we are now starting to cover this tubo because Sir Kenneth requested for this specifically to be covered with murals as well. So, ayan. And while we're doing the painting, yan, diba? Ang ganda ng view. So, ayan. We are now starting to this. Alright. Okay, mga ka-momentum, we are now doing the sketch in this area. Alright. And then later, i-update ko po kayo kapag meron na po tayong progress. Okay? I'll be back later. Bye-bye! Mga ka-momentum, we are now doing the sketch sa lahat ng area with my sketch, guys. newbie lang pero nag-i-sketch, diba? Teka pa rin. May salon pass, guys. Di pa naman nag-jacket. Anong klase? Yung papuntang Baguio, hindi nag-jacket. Okay, we are now doing the sketch with Mai. Yan. Mai. Si Jen in this area. Ayan. At si Mahal. Ayan. Okay. So that's our update. As of the moment, I'll be back later. Dahan-dahan. O yan guys, ganyan yung kalaki. Yan. Yung wall. Putik na to. Baka mahulog, May. Huwag kang magpatawa. Dinalhan nila tayo ng merienda. Actually guys, kaninang breakfast, kumain din po kami dito sa Elements Buffet. Free because sagot po ng ating client ang ating accommodations and food. Kanina din, nag-lunch po kami. Hindi ko lang nare-reviewhan. And then ito, merienda na po. Day 1 pa lang namin ito guys. Tataba ata tayo dito. Ayan, thank you so much. Newtown Plaza Hotel, Elements Buffet, especially Sir Kenneth and his wife. Thank you so much po. Tadan! And anyway, mga kamomentum, ayan. Winawhite na po natin itong area na ito. Ayan, with my, ayan. And then si Mahal po, ini-sketch niya na po ng color white yung mga in-sketch kanina na ang chalk. So, ayan. And then si Jen is nag-i-sketch pa po ng chalk. So, ayan. That's our process. And it's already 2 p.m. Pero parang paggabi na guys kasi mahamog. Mahamog. Alas 11, alas 12, alauna, alas 2 pasado. Napakalamig. Kaya nga ako naka-jacket. Yun. So, ayan. Mga ka-momentum, that's our work in progress. So, ayan. Balikan ko kayo later kapag may mga progress na po ulit. Ang ganda na chandelier. So, ayan. Bye for now. Guys, as of 5:30 p.m. Ito na po yung progress natin in this wall. And then, with the second wall, nag-i-sketch pa rin po si Jen. Maghapon na to, guys. Maghapon siya lagi. Kasi ang taas nito, guys. Ang taas talaga ya. Oh, ayan, no. Nakahagdan na siya, imagine. Diba? Wala pa rin hanggang dun pa. So, ayan. But, we are still working it out. Watch me twerk! Joke lang. So, ayan, guys. This is our progress as of 5:30 p.m. today. At if you'll see, mahamog, mga kamomentum. Yan, mahamog. Di ba po namin nakikita yung araw? Oh, ayan. Our goal for today is to finish the sketch. Kung hindi kaya, of course, tomorrow. And then, magaganto rin po tayo in this area. And this area. Okay, by tomorrow, nandito po ang ating client. Medyo kabado tayo, pero kaya natin to. Alright, so that's our update. Okay? I'll be back later. Bye-bye. Guys, day 2.
Ay,
Day
momentum
2.
kasi to.
Day 2 na namin dito sa Baguio. So, hinihintay lang namin si Mai tsaka si Jen kasi nakabukod sila ng room. Ito yung room namin.
Dalawa yung kama namin.
Off ka na. So, from now on, bibidyohan ko yung mga meal na pinaprepare nila for us. So, this is going to be our second day and breakfast. So, yan. Yan, guys. Kain na tayo. Okay, mga kamomento, we are now starting with the second wall. So, if you will remember, ito po yung ginawa natin kahapon. Tama? Yan. Yung area na yan, napakalaki na, guys. So, the first wall is nalagyan na po natin siya ng sketch na white. Okay? So, ayan. I-blend na lang po natin yan. And then, we are now moving forward to the second and third wall. So, yun yung second, then yun yung third. Alright? So, that's what we're gonna do for our day 2 here at Newtown Plaza Hotel at Baguio City. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and let's start. Clip po natin. So, mga ka-momentum, i-workout na po natin yung design natin dito. And then, magbabackground kami ng green dito. So, ayan. Okay, let's do it. And guys, meron naman kaming lunch. Hello, narinig ka. So yan guys.
Sabi ko, huwag palagyan ng gulay.
Alin? May crush siya dito, guys. Yung isang crew. Padyang-dyang tahimik lang yan. So, that's our lunch for today. Ayan, meron na naman tayong nakaano. Salamat po. And, you know guys, super accommodating talaga ni Miss Precious. Okay, I think she's one of the managers. She's the one who were assisting us. Si Miss Precious. Grabe, thank you so much po. Hindi niya talaga kami kinakaligtaan ng food. Yeah. Yan. So, this is our lunch, mga ka-momentum. Thank you again, Miss Precious. Maganda na maganda pa ugali. Thumbs up! Guys, whip. As of 2 p.m. And then, kakatapos lang namin ni Maymay dito na mag-green. And then si Jeng Jeng, kakatapos niya lang mag-white sa taas. So, ayan. That's our working in progress as of 2 p.m. Then ito, baka mamayang gabi. Yeah. Guys, tingnan nyo naman. Alas 2, oh. Parang alas 6. Sobrang dilim. Kasi makulimlim. Malamig dito, guys. Pag tumapat ka dito, sa tapat nito. So, di ba napasok yung hangin dyan? Ay, pag tumapat ka, para aircon yung lamig. Anyway, so yan. Po yung week natin, mga ka-momentum. Nga pala, guys, dumaan kanina yung owner. Yan. Looking forward daw siya. So, ayun na, guys. Bye-bye! Update po natin is nag-i-sketch din. Kami ni Mai, kakagaling lang namin sa room. Yeah. Okay. So, if you will remember, mga ka-momentum, ito ay ang third wall. Diba? So, ayan. Third wall na ini-sketch din dyan. Yung first wall naman is, ayan, ginagawa na po. Ang ganda! So, ayan yung update, mga ka-momentum. And then, may food kami. Ay, hindi ko pa pala napakita. Ito. Kaya na namin. So, ayan. Alas 2. Guys, ganito weather dito. Cloudy. Tapos medyo ma-fog. So, ayan, sitwasyon natin on our day 2. I'll be back later. Okay guys, tapos na yung sketch ni Jen. Yeah. So, iwa-white na namin to and i-green namin yung background. Tapos na tayo dyan. Ito na po yung whip natin naman dito. Yan, di ba? Ah, pretty! Momentum Art Gallery yan. So, ayan. Ano na guys? Anong oras na boy? 5 p.m. na po. Tapos ito, ano, madilim. Malamig. Ayan, 5 p.m. Nag-i-start na po tayo dito. Na-background na namin to. Na white na po. Ito naman yung next namin. Naming mga assistant artist. And of course, ako, ewan ko, ang dami kong position dito. Tama na, hindi ko nababanggitin. Yeah, at ito naman po ang ating lead artist, si Mahan. Yan na po yung ginagawa niya. So, that's our update. I'll be back later. Alright. Guys, alas 7 na ng gabi. Yan o. Alas 7 na ng gabi, pero yan, dire-diretso pa rin po tayo dito. As you can see, si Jen ay nasa what do you call this, ladder, and doing the sketch still for the third wall, while Mai and Mahal is doing the design for the first wall. Ayan. So ayan guys, dire-diretso. But of course, break time naman kami, don't worry. Break time naman kami. Si Mahal lang po yung mahilig hindi mahilig mag-break time. Ayan. Puro kalokohan. Yan. So, yun yung update natin guys as of 7 PM. Mga pagod na. Pero ang stop kasi namin dito guys is, everyday is 8. After namin mag-dinner, ayun, nabalik na kami sa mga rooms namin. So guys, we are dito, free all. Free yung aming accommodations and free din po yung aming food. Of course, yung trans po namin, yun po yung sinagot namin. So, free everything. Ayan. Pinakita ko na ba sa inyo yung room namin? So, papakita ko sa inyo yung room namin. 2 rooms, guys. Kaming dalawa ni Mahal dun sa isang room. Si Maymay tsaka si Jen dun sa isang room. Bali, 2 rooms. Sa 7th floor siya. Dito sa Newtown Plaza Hotel. So, ayan. Ayan, yan yung ating whip. Oh, ayan guys, tingin ko this will going to be the last video that I will be doing for tonight. See you on day 3. Ayan guys, pinag-prepare nila ulit tayo for dinner. Wow.